Also new tonight at 10, we're learning more about what caused a lockdown at a Lynchburg school this afternoon. According to police, officers responded to Johnson Road near Perrymont Elementary this afternoon. There were reports of a man walking around with a rifle pointing it at people. The school was then on lockdown out of an abundance of caution. When officers arrived, they arrested the man, 38-year-old Kong Ni, without incident. Upon further investigation, they found out the gun was just an air rifle. Ni now faces 2 charges of brandishing a firearm. The incident is under investigation.